What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I want to show you guys something very cool. I'm pretty excited right now because here they are. Been waiting for 2 months and 7 days. They finally hatched because I've been checking them every day. Yesterday they were still inside the freaking eggs, and now it just popped out. Okay, so I believe one is more lighter towards the pinkish, and the other one is darker towards the purple color, which is like a yin and yang contrast, just like the ones I hatched last year. So here they are, my first hatchlings in 2020. Yeah, it's been a rough year so far, but look at these gorgeous animals. As you can see, normally they have solid black eyes. Look at this one, I'm about to call out. Very cool. Let me check on the other one. Oh, very feisty too. Hey, come down. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's this one's more active. Very cool. Oh, okay, alright. Let me just put that little guy now. Oh, calm down. No, don't run away. Come on, get up. Hey, get up. Okay, good boy. Oh, wow. So you can see, very cool animal. And then let me show you the other one. This one is maybe less active. Yeah, this just came out this morning. Look at that forward. You throw these away. Also, have two more in here. Looks like they are doing excellent. The temperature right now is 85.1 degree-ish, so can be either male or female. Alright, let's focus on this one. This one is very beautiful too. Super pink. Let's see. Oh, wait. This one has red eyes. Oh, wait, what? That's so cool. Like, I know the hatchlings I hatched last year, they all have solid black eyes, but this one, let me focus a little bit more. Alright guys, the camera quality wasn't that good earlier, so I restart the whole thing. But let's focus on this one again. Oh wow, look at these eyes. They are red. It's actually my first gecko that's happened to have red eyes. If I can focus more. His eyes are closed right now because it's kind of bright during the daytime. I believe it's very sensitive to lightings. But as you can see, very beautiful. Now let's set up their new homes. Let me just put these monkeys down here real quick. You can see that's my snake tank. Alright, so usually I use these shoe boxes for hatchlings because they are very easy to clean and so on. What am I going to need? Paper towels, just one piece, just like that. It fits perfectly. And then of course Gatorade caps. That's what I use. You know, if anything happens, you can just throw all of the mess away. It's like super cheap. I mean, it's technically like worth nothing because I just bought the caps. I mean the bottles to have the caps. You know what I'm saying? And this is for water, and this is, I guess, for food. It's bigger. And then wait until you see this. Cereal box, cardboard, whatever. That's just for the hide. And then that's it. That's pretty much the setup. It's very simple. You don't need a lot of money to put into a hatchling setup. I mean, of course, you're going to change them into like a 10-gallon tank in the future because they are going to get big. So they probably going to last a month and a half or 2 months or so in this box. Once they get a little bigger, then I transfer them into a 10-gallon tank. And of course, got a heat mat here. Just put it right on top, and that's it. Just 2 geckos share 1 heat mat. Alright, and also I got some food here. I also hatch these mealworms by myself. You know, once you're a reptile owner, like, you always want to breed your own food. It's more convenient, and you know, it's cheaper that way too. So and they're very easy to breed. I have a video of breeding mealworms. If you want to watch it, it's just check on my channel. And where's my water? Where's my water bottle? Just add some water. Oh, okay. Okay. And this one too. Just like that. And some people might think, like, what about the moist box, whatever, right here? Just spray a little bit, and that's all. I mean, I've been raising leopard geckos this way for a long time, so, and they're fine. Like, trust me, they're hardier than you think. So let's get one of the solid black eyes first. This one's a feisty one. Screaming a lot too, so ooh, just nip on me. Okay, alright, relax. Here's a new home. Okay, as you can see. Very cute. And here's the one with red eyes. Usually what we call them is Diablo Blanco. Oh, this one started eating already. Wow, interesting. Usually it might take around like a day, a few days or so to start eating, but now this one's, wow, can't believe it. Okay, so might have a little feeding video here included. And here's the one of the red eyes. I'm very happy with the result today. I didn't expect this to happen, and it was not a plan or something. Like, I've just found out with you guys. So the adult Diablo Blancos are worth around $200 to $300 online. So definitely going to keep this little guy. I believe it's a male because I incubated the temperature around 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Very cool animal. And this one too. They are both amazing. And it seems like they're adjusting their new environment very, very quickly. So I definitely going to keep you guys updated on these little guys. Please subscribe for more, please. And as always, thanks for watching. Here's the female and the mom. She looks hungry. Here. And there's the dad.